Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial on how to find and read documentation for Python. 1. Official Python documentation. The official Python documentation is a great resource for learning about Python features, modules, functions, and methods. You can access the official Python documentation at https://docs.python.org. 2. Using the help function in Python. Python has a built-in help function that can be used to get information about modules, functions, classes, and methods. You can use the help function by passing the object you want to get help on as an argument. For example, 3. Using dir function in Python. The dir function can be used to get a list of attributes and methods of an object. This can be helpful when you want to explore a module or an object in Python. For example, 4. Using external libraries and websites. There are many third-party libraries and websites that provide additional documentation and resources for Python. Some popular ones include NumPy documentation, https://numpy.org/doc. Pandas documentation, https://pandas.pydata.org/docs. Requests library documentation, https://docs.python-requests.org/n/latest. 5. Reading Python peps, Python enhancement proposals. Python enhancement proposals are design documents that provide information about proposed features, changes, and enhancements to the Python programming language. You can find Python peps at https://peps.python.org. Remember, reading and understanding documentation is an essential skill for any programmer. It can help you learn new features, troubleshoot issues, and improve your coding efficiency.